Hi everybody, welcome to new tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you about particle system in Unreal Engine. How many particle we can use, how can we use it, and what is the effect of it. So this is the image I will use. You can find the image in the asset. You can also create the image and download the image from internet. It depends on you. So from Saiful, I create a folder and name it image, and I just drag and drop the image to the folder. I create another folder. I name it effects. So this is basic image, you can see it. And from this image I create a material. I open the material, and here is the black, but if we change the blend mode to additive, you can see the black is removed, only we can see the white part. That's what we want. So save and apply. So from this function we can go cascade particle system. Here they explain about everything. This a particle is a complete particle effect that contain any number of particle emitter. By allowing multiple emitter in a system, the designer can create a particle effect. So there is a full description also, please go and check it, then you can understand about this system in detail. But I'll show you how you can create one, and I will show you also the example. By this function I create a particle. You can name whatever you prefer. I just name it test particle system. And if I open it, you can see that it's goes up. And if we go to the required, you can see we have a material, default material, but we create a material using the image. I just add this our material, and here you can see the changes. Here is our image, and here you can see it. There is a paper in shader. Our shader is ready. Now we only have 20, and if we make it 200, you can see the effect. We can leave 1000, 10,000, but I think 500 is fine. So now if we drag and drop to the particle in the level, we can see the effect in the level also. We can play our level and we can see it. Here is the particle. You can see how far it goes, half of the character size. Now there is a function called lifetime, and we have 1 to 1, but we can make it 1 to 3. And now you can see our particle goes upper, more upper, because it have 3 second time, so it don't destroy between 3 seconds, it destroy after 3 seconds. Previously it was 1 second, so you can understand why it goes upper, 3 times upper. And if you place the particle in the left side, and you can see how far it goes. We can leave also 5, and it will go more further, like here. We have also initial velocity. From start velocity and distribution we can change the value. If we changes the value, we can see the effect. Previously it was different, now it is different because we changed the value. And if we give everything 000, it will stay like this. It also have the use also. Now if you give to 10 to the x value, it will go to the this direction, the x direction. If we give the 10 value to the this y, then it will go to this direction. And if we give to the z value, then it will go to the up. Same thing happen with the upper in the maths. We can change the value in x, y and z, and we can check by ourselves. Now I just changes my value and see the output. You can see it's a different output. I like it, but math changes until you satisfied. It's for you. So I change this value and it look like this, going to one direction. And I changes the value again. And I changes the upper value also. Now I think it's look like funnier. It's go to this direction. And if you play, you can see it from here also. And it looks nice to me. I like it. There are other options: initial size, color over life. You can change the color and it will affect to the particle also. And there are other options. Go to the setting, the distribution, and changes the settings and see by yourself. So from the starter content, we have many particle by default, like explosion, fire, smoke. You can see we have particle like this, and we have the explosion like this, and everything made in the same particle system which we made previously. Just changes of color, the changes of image, and the changes of value made like this. It's look like very realistic, and it created very long ago, like 2014-15. There is the fire effect, and we can see the material. There is also smooth, and we can see the smooth, and we can also see the function. There is a fountain, and we can see the function. So this is for today's tutorial. I hope you understand about particle system. So see you in next tutorial.